Hey everyone, TechDimension here with a video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add apps to the hidden folder on your iPhone on iOS 18. So let's get started. So if you go to the very last page on iOS 18 and scroll down, there's a folder called Hidden where you can store and add apps that you like to be hidden from the plain view. So in order to add any apps there, first thing you need to make sure that your phone has a passcode on it. Now, once you have a passcode on it, you're going to go ahead and pick an app. So let's go ahead and pick, for example, YouTube here, right? If I want to add it to that hidden, I simply click on require passcode, and then this option comes up where it says hide and require passcode. If you just do a require passcode, that will just only require passcode. But if you click on hide and require, you just enter your phone's passcode that you set, and then it will hide it or add it to that hidden folder. So I click on it, it's removed here. And if I go over here to the app library, tap on it, I need to enter my phone's passcode to see or access that hidden apps there. So again, all you're gonna do is find the app you like to hide, press and hold, click on require passcode, and then hide and require passcode. Put in your phone's passcode, click on hide, and go to the very last page, and it will be available right there in the hidden folder on your iPhone. So that's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful. If so, please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks for your iPhone and other iOS devices. We'll see you guys next time.